Greetings from the veteran. Welcome back to Operation Lightning. Italy turn 2 and Germany turn 3 have been posted, and the save file representative that, but we're doing KMT and USA turn 2 here. So KMT is saving their money and collecting 6. I'll go to 12. Moving 3 infantry from Zhechuan to Guichao. And 6 infantry from Shantung to Zhechuan. That's it for KMT. USA. We're going to start a battleship for 6. Collect 6. We're going to fly attack bomber 1, 2, 3, 4 to Hawaii. And fly DM tech fighter, either fly or rail, whichever it is, to San Fran. Alright. And that'll do it for KMT USA turn 2. Pass it off to the warden for common turn 3. Alright, goodbye.